Hey there! Check this out! Ooh! Ooh! Hey Twinkle! Look at all those cool fireworks! I love to watch fireworks! I think Twinkle does too. What color is your favorite? That's a pretty awesome color. You know what else is awesome? This experiment that I have planned for us today, called Fireworks in a Glass. It was sent to me by my friends Samuel and Nora. Let's go inside to the craft table.
Come on and play. Come on and sing. Come on and learn in Popz Treehouse.
Twinkle has brought us everything we need right here in the Create a Crate. The Create a Crate gives us everything we need and a few surprises along the way. Let's see what it has today. We have a big glass container of water. We have a pink container of vegetable oil. We also have my favorite color, red food coloring. We also have blue food coloring. And a fork. Thanks, Create a Crate. Everything we need to make fireworks in a glass. First, let's take our blue food coloring and drop 10 drops inside of our vegetable oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's take our red food coloring and do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Now all you have to do is take your fork and mix it all together. Mixing it up helps break up those little balls of food coloring into smaller pieces. Perfect. Now, to make your fireworks come alive, take your food coloring and oil mixture and pour it right into your container of water, and let's watch what happens. Perfect. Now let's sit back and enjoy the show. Whoa! Look how the food coloring drops down and explodes into color, just like a firework. This is so satisfying to watch. Thanks for stopping by the Treehouse today. Twinkle and I had a blast making fireworks in a glass with you. If you want to see more of my fun videos, just search for Popz Treehouse. Later, Gators. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social channels @Popz Treehouse to stay up to date on new videos and fun content for kids.